Hi, I'm Israel and welcome to my presentation about a technology in Gartner's 2005 Hype Cycle, Augmented Reality. Augmented reality is a technology which allows computer-generated virtual imagery to exactly overlay physical objects in real time. Unlike virtual reality, where the user is completely immersed in a virtual environment, while augmented reality is closer to the real world and allows the user to interact with the virtual images using real objects, which includes sound, video, graphics, or GPS data. The three basic components of an augmented reality systems are the display, the tracking and orientation system, and a mobile computer. There are three types of displays are used in AR technology, namely the head-mounted displays, which also called as HMD, the handheld displays, and the spatial displays. For head-mounted display, this device keeps both images of the real physical world and the virtual graphical world over the user's worldview. HMDs are either an optically transparent or video transparent device. For handheld display, these are small in size and will easily fit in hand like our smartphones. These devices use video transparent techniques to relate the virtual world to the real world. This display technology is the biggest success for augmented reality till now, since they are easily handy and portable and mostly have cameras. They are widely used. For spatial display, this is very different to the other two displays. There is no need to carry the display. Instead, the graphical image is related to physical objects by using a digital projector. Another component of an augmented reality system is its tracking and orientation system. This system pinpoints the user's location in reference to his surroundings and additionally tracks the user's eye and head movements. This is the most complex part of the augmented reality technology, as three major functions such as tracking the overall location, movement of the user's head and eye, and adjusting the graphics to be displayed are done with utmost precaution. Last but not the least, augmented reality system will need a highly mobile computers. For this technology to sustain, the computers used must have high-speed processors. To understand where augmented reality is going and to see its potential, we have to take a quick look at the history of this technology and why it failed to take off the first time around. Augmented reality has its root in virtual reality. Both rely on the idea of additional input to the senses. Virtual reality attempts to create an immersive experience, while augmented reality attempts to add to experience in the real world. The first AR device was born in the late 60s, created by Ivan Sutherland at Harvard University. It was huge and impractical beyond the experiment, but showed that despite being the early days of computer sciences, augmented reality could be done. Still, it wasn't a success, not only because of the large size of the components, but also the cost was too expensive and the limited processing power of computers that time. Furthermore, augmented reality was missing a few things: a platform to reach people, solutions designed to solve real problems, and public awareness to its potential. But the research continued into the 90s, where it really flourished and much experimentation was done. There have been a lot of new advances and significant improvements not only for desktop solution but also for mobile devices. In the earlier years, augmented reality was intended for outdoor navigation for visually impaired. Others use as for optical tracking with a camera mounted on the mobile screen, and for video tracking using 6 degrees of freedom, 6DOF, and some varied uses such as medical, manufacturing, research, mechanical operation, and entertainment. In the 2000s, German researchers Daniel Wagner and Dieter Smolstig, now lauded as pioneers in augmented reality, were the first to create a framework to run AR on a mobile device. Augmented reality has largely evolved over the last decade, as well as the interpretation itself of what is mobile augmented reality. The first instance of mobile AR can certainly be associated with the development of wearable AR, in a sense of experiencing AR during locomotion. In 2005, according to Gartner's hype cycle, it was triggering up and predicted 5 to 10 years it will reach the plateau of productivity. Right now, with smartphone devices growing in popularity and advancing in hardware and software, augmented reality is becoming a trend for companies to combine with products. These smartphones become capable of delivering augmented reality experience to the masses and broke out with much fanfare. Like for example, the latest app game called Pokemon Go. It's a form of AR that uses a mobile device's GPS capability to locate, capture, battle, and train virtual creatures. It quickly became a global phenomenon and was one of the most used mobile apps, having been downloaded by more than 130 million people worldwide. So it seems AR technology right now is trending in terms of mobile apps, but there is still a while to go for the consumer's HMDs. Even enterprise-grade HMDs are still being tested in the field right now, like the Google Glass and the Microsoft HoloLens for the price of $3,000 US. In the latest Gartner hype cycle 2015, augmented reality is in the throes of disillusionment. For AR to truly succeed, it will take a great amount of patience. Of course, the design, comfort, and the fashion matters most. Again, AR will have to remain on the mobile platform, which makes sense considering everyone has a smartphone, so accessibility isn't a problem. There's also capable of handling the AR apps, at least for now. The potential uses of augmented reality system in everyday living and in various fields are many. Once available in the market, augmented reality systems will change the way people see and learn from their surroundings. These are the following several applications for augmented reality systems. Gaming and entertainment. Augmented reality systems can be used to enhance gaming and entertainment. Role-playing games in the future can be integrated with augmented reality system to give the user real environments as backdrops for his game and to make the user's senses perceive that he truly is one of the characters in the game. Sports fans will have access to up-to-date game information and enhance sports viewing at home. Education. Augmented reality system in combination with other technologies such as Wi-Fi could also be used to provide instant information to its users. For educational purposes, augmented reality systems can be used to view a panoramic recreation of a historical event superimposed on its real-time background. Students could use this system to have a deeper understanding on things like the formation of clouds, the structure of universe and the galaxy, through realistic and easily understandable augmented reality system simulations. Security and defense. The military, particularly the Office of Naval Research and Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, are some of the original pioneers of augmented reality system. One of the main uses of augmented reality system to the military is providing field soldiers crucial information about their surroundings as well as friendly troops and enemy movements in their particular area. Medicine. Augmented reality system could be used to give the surgeon a better sensory perception of the patient's body during an operation. Business. The building and construction field will benefit from the easier project management that augmented reality systems will bring. Markers can be placed or attached to a particular object a person is currently working on, so that project and site managers can monitor work in progress. If this technology adopted widely in this field, it may bring some economic benefits such as increase in productivity due to the lower cost for mobility and reduction in social overhead costs from the decrease in the need to travel long distances. Augmented reality systems can be used in almost any field or industry. It will change the way we view the world, or at least the way its users see the world. Picture yourself walking or driving down the street. With augmented reality displays, which will eventually look much like a normal pair of glasses, informative graphics will appear in your field of view, and audio will coincide with whatever you see. This enhancement will be refreshed continually to reflect the movements of your head. The novelty of instant information coupled with enhanced perception will ensure that augmented reality system will play a big role in how people live in the future. Thanks for watching.